Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a recently delivered 260 SLX. This Sea Ray is a beautiful boat, coming in the horizon color, full hull color on the bottom, white top cap. We got the black rub rail with stainless insert. This is a gorgeous boat. It's got the 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower MerCruiser in it. Let's walk around to the back and we can take a closer look. Here at the back of the boat, we have this great swim platform area. We've got a submersible drop-down swim platform. We've also got a sprayer here. That way, when the kids are getting on the boat and they got dirty feet, you can rinse them off before they even get in the boat. We've also got rear-firing speakers. Get a lot more inside. Let's go take a look. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 260 SLX. This is a gorgeous boat. We've got the dune color on the interior. Great stitching, all this diamond pattern and these fold down armrests. Here in the bow, we have tons of good seating. We've got cup holders. We've got some storage. Lots of storage underneath these seats here. Underneath this console, this flips up. Tons of room in this boat. Up there in the bow, we've got our anchor locker. More storage as we come around to the port side. As we move back, take a look at this helm. A really, really sleek helm design. We've got dual Simrads up there on the dash, Fusion audio, Linko trim tabs, all of your switches and buttons over there. We've got this super comfortable bucket captain seat with a flip-up bolster here. This thing is super easy to use. A lot of seats you're kind of fiddling, trying to fumble to find the levers. They're right here at the side to move forward and backwards and swivel these chairs around. We've got the same thing over here for the co-captain. Lots of cup holders. We've got this onboard head with lots of room in there. As we move back here, we've got the signature SLX seating layout with this L bench. Very, very comfortable. Lots of cup holders, lots of room for your family and friends to hang out. We've got your power tower, so if you do need to lower this, you just hit these buttons here, it'll lower down. This boat also has the extendable sunshade, so you can pull this in and out and it'll give you some extra room to shade your sun pad back here. We've also got an additional head unit so you can control your audio back here in the boat, as well as this spacious sun pad. You don't even have to climb over it. We've got the side entry here on that starboard side. We've got some wet storage for your wet dock lines or ski ropes. Also a lot more storage on this side too. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. If you have any questions about it or would like to come see it in person, stop by our Greenville showroom or give us a call.